Hello, welcome to the 8-minute summary of the book My Life and Work by Henry Ford. In this audiobook, you will discover the core principles that revolutionize the world of business and manufacturing. Get ready to hear timeless ideas that remain relevant today. 1. The mission of business is to serve society. Henry Ford believed that the purpose of a business is not to maximize profit, but to provide value to society. He famously said, "A business that makes only money is a poor business." Profit, he argued, is simply the result of delivering quality products and genuine service. To illustrate this, Ford often referred to how he priced his cars. Instead of maximizing profits per unit, he reduced prices to make cars affordable for more families. He believed that serving more customers with a good product would naturally lead to greater profits in the long run. Key insight: prioritize customer satisfaction over short-term profits. Focus on creating useful, high-quality products. Recognize that profits follow service, not the other way around. Take a moment to reflect on how this principle applies to modern businesses today. Second, production efficiency and standardization. Ford pioneered the use of assembly lines in manufacturing, dramatically increasing productivity. In 1908, he introduced the Model T, a reliable, affordable car for the average American. By standardizing parts and processes, the cost of production plummeted. He said, "The simplest way to handle complex tasks is to break them down into simple steps." Ford realized that every motion and every process could be optimized. For instance, the introduction of specialized machines and tools reduced errors and boosted productivity. Assembly line work might seem monotonous, but it allowed employees to specialize and become highly skilled in their tasks. Key insights: standardization saves time and resources. Simplifying processes increases efficiency and accessibility. Continuous process improvement can yield significant long-term gains. Think about modern factories, where these principles are still at the core of production today. 3. Fair wages and respect for workers. In 1914, Ford shocked the corporate world by doubling the daily wage to $5. He understood that motivated, satisfied employees produce better results. "People are not just pairs of hands," he said. "They are the foundation of a company's success." Ford's decision to raise wages was met with skepticism. Critics argued that such high wages would bankrupt the company. But Ford proved them wrong. The higher wages reduced turnover, increased productivity, and enabled workers to afford the cars they built. Key insight: treat employees with respect. Fair pay is an investment, not an expense. Employee satisfaction directly impacts product quality and customer experience. Imagine what would happen if more companies followed this principle today. 4. Continuous improvement. Ford believed that innovation should never stop. His engineers constantly tested new methods to improve productivity. "There is no limit to improvement when it benefits the customer," Ford stated. The factory floors were treated as living laboratories. Workers were encouraged to suggest changes, and management listened. Even seemingly minor adjustments, like the placement of tools, resulted in noticeable productivity gains. Key insight: always seek ways to simplify and optimize processes. Encourage employees to contribute ideas for improvements. Small improvements compound over time into significant advantages. Continuous improvement isn't just for factories, it's for every aspect of life. 5th, customer-centric approach. Ford's success with the Model T came from understanding people's needs, not copying competitors. He said, "If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said a faster horse." He didn't rely solely on market research. He used intuition, observation, and empathy. to design products that made people's lives easier. Key insight: listen to customers but don't fear innovation. Create products that solve real problems, anticipate future needs, not just current demands. Think about how this strategy compares to how companies innovate today. Sixth, social responsibility. Ford believed that businesses have a duty to benefit society. He implemented an 8-hour workday and improved working conditions long before it became a legal standard. The best contribution to society, he wrote, is honest work and a useful product. Ford also invested in community development and education programs, recognizing that business success is intertwined with societal well-being. Key insight: invest in your workforce and your community. Ethical business practices build long-term success. A thriving community creates a stronger customer base. Reflect on how corporate responsibility is viewed in today's world. 7. Simplicity is the key to success. Ford hated unnecessary complexity. He simplified production, reducing the time to build a car from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. Simplicity, he said, is the ultimate sophistication. Ford constantly questioned processes. Why is this step necessary? Can it be done faster? Can it be eliminated without loss of quality? Key insight: simplify processes to scale efficiently. Eliminate unnecessary steps and distractions. Complexity increases costs and reduces flexibility. This principle is as relevant in software development as it was in car manufacturing. Conclusion: Henry Ford's philosophy shows us that business success is not achieved through greed, but through genuine service. His principles remain powerful today. Create useful products, respect your workers, and continuously improve. Formula for success: product, service, improvement, success. Thank you for listening. We wish you success in your ventures.